In this video from Device Doctor, I will show you how to print high-quality PVC cards using the Epson L18050. I will also show you how to download, install, and use the required software step by step.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
PVC card printing requires the correct printer settings, software, and media. Even a small mistake can affect the print quality or damage the card. In this video, you will learn the correct setup and the complete printing process to achieve the best possible results. In the first step, install the Epson Photo Plus software on your computer. You can find the download link in the video description. Epson Photo Plus is a simple and useful software designed for Epson printers to help users create and print high-quality photos and cards. It provides easy layout tools, ready-made templates, and proper print settings for different media types. With this software, users can achieve professional printing results without needing advanced design skills. For Windows 7 users, it is required to install Microsoft.NET Framework 4.5.2. This helps Epson Photo Plus run properly and smoothly without any errors or compatibility issues. After installing this component, the software will open correctly and work as expected for printing tasks. This additional component is mainly required for Windows 7. On Windows 8, 10, and 11, Epson Photo Plus usually works without installing .NET Framework 4.5.2. The reason is that these newer systems already include the required system libraries by default. Open Epson Photo Plus and wait until it loads completely. Epson Photo Plus offers several useful options for photo and card printing, including layout selection, image adjustment, template design, and print settings control. One of its most important features is PVC card printing, which allows users to design and print professional ID cards, membership cards, and other plastic cards. In this mode, you can adjust size, position, and quality to achieve accurate and high-resolution printing results. There are two ready-made templates, number 1 and 2. Simply adjust and align your two card images properly inside the template, then proceed with printing your PVC card. Now click Start Printing to send the print job to the printer. Here is an important tip. First, send the print job and wait until the paper indicator turns red. Then insert the PVC card tray into the printer, up to the position shown on the tray. This is the correct way to start PVC card printing. Now simply press the Cancel button to start printing. This is the correct method for printing PVC cards. If you insert the PVC card tray before sending the print job or before the paper indicator turns red, the printer will not print correctly and may even damage the printhead. That is it for this video. I hope this step-by-step tutorial helped you understand how to print high-quality PVC cards with the Epson L18050 and how to use the required software correctly. By following the same method and the important tips shown in this video, you can achieve accurate and professional printing results while avoiding common mistakes that may affect print quality or even damage your printer. If this video was helpful, please support Device Doctor by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on the notification bell so you never miss our latest printer repair and printing tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.